It's my favourite time of the year because we are heading into March, which means from the 20th to the 22nd, I'll be at the Classic Car and Restoration Show at the NEC in Birmingham. I love this show. It's a real hands-on affair where you can come and see actual car restoration in front of your eyes. You're going to see guys doing English wheel work, leather bag work, TIG welding. You're going to see all kinds of restorations right in front of you. And when you've had enough of that, you can head over to the live stage area where you're going to find the likes of me on stage imparting my knowledge to anyone that will listen. So make sure you book your tickets between the 20th and the 22nd for the Classic Car and Restoration Show at the NEC in Birmingham. And I look forward to seeing you all there.